Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Honorable audience, as you know, I am Alif Ba Alif from the platform of eQuraneKareem. We are reading Arabic Basic Qaida with Tajweed. We completed the first lesson in two classes which consist of single letters, mean the Arabic single alphabets. And today we are starting second lesson, joint letters, and we will read this lesson also in two classes. In this lesson, we will learn how the words are formed by joining alphabets. Inshallah ta'ala, identify every alphabet in a word, and we will also learn the different shapes of particular letters. Before starting the lesson, you read Ta'aruz and Tasmiya. Ta'aruz means أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. After the Ta'aruz is Tasmiya. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The Quranic dua is very important for increasement of knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. Now the second lesson we are starting. The second lesson name is joint letters. We can see here the first one letter is a single letters and telling us this is a single letters. Alif. After that the second one is Lam. Alif. Lam we will stretch 3 seconds, and Alif will say quickly from the impetus of our mouth. So this is Lam Alif joint shape. There are five different structure and five different shapes of Lam Alif. First is there Lam Alif. The second one is Lam Alif. This one is also Lam Alif. After that, now we are looking the next one. These two letters are Ba Alif. By the colors, we can understand the letters. How many letters are joined there? Ba Alif. Why the first one is Ba? Because has one dot at the bottom. We are understanding by the dot. This is Ba, and after that the straight shape is Alif shape because always Alif will be in a straight shape. Ba Alif, and also remember Alif cannot join in the beginning of the letters. Always when come Alif in the beginning of the word or in the beginning of the letters, it will be alone in single shape. So Ba Alif, this one is after that